Okay, hello. This is group 5C, and our app is called GeoSocial. So the purpose of this app is to keep track of your friends on a map, and also notify you when they are within a specified distance. So let's look at the settings. The distance is 5 kilometers. You can change that, of course. This is the status of your friend. Of yourself, of that you want to check for yourself. Yeah, we want to choose for yourself, right? And here we have stop notifying and start notifying, which basically just starts a service that will check for friends within this range. We chose to have buttons like that instead of just the service running 24/7 because battery savings, and also it's nice to give people a choice, So let's add some friends. We're gonna add friend 2 here. See, I even misspelled it, but we have a nice autocomplete feature. So we're gonna add friend 2 as a friend. That shows up nice. He's really far away. Friend 2 is over here. So we can see friend 1 is also a friend of friend 2 now. And we can view him on a map. It turns out friend 2 is in Tokyo. That's pretty far away. So let's look for friend 2. We can find them, right? Alright, so if you wanted to, we could find friend 1 like that. That's hello, I'm friend 1, right? But really, what we want to do, which is even nicer, is that we want to notify people. So let's move friend 1 from Tokyo. Let's move him to Charlotte. So when we move him to Charlotte, they're now in that range, right? So we can see the notifications here that came in. Basically says friend 2 is now in range, and for this guy it says friend 1 is now in range because we moved them. So now let's look on the map. View friends on map. So there we go. So the blue dot is yourself, the user, and the other guy is the friend. Okay, so what's even nicer is that we can move friend 1. So let's move friend 1 a few, like a block away, I guess. Let's move friend 1 over here. And you should see it update here within a few seconds. So everything is live. We're never reloading views or anything like that. So anytime it should, or maybe it moved already, but I didn't see it. Oh, there we go. So it moved. So we can move them over here and it'll work. So this is really nice because it's all real time. We could have done it like at real time, but that would really eat a lot of battery. So we thought, every 10-15 seconds the friend will change locations on the map. So that's pretty nice. There we go. So now let's talk about events. We can set up an event. Let's say that we want to do a birthday party. We can set the time, we can set the date. We can enter the location. That's pretty cool, but we can also pick a place, right? So this will show us all the places that are nearby. So this is really cool. So let's say we want to go to the epicenter. It'll ask for an address. We'll pick this one. We can save. So now if we go friend 1 to event, we see there's no event, right? Because friend 2 didn't add anyone. So let's add a friend. We can add friend 1 here to an event. So now if we go to event here, we can see it. It's pretty nice. We can even get directions. That's just an intent to a browser. I'm not gonna do it because it takes a while to load, but it works. You can get directions to the event from your location. Okay, so now let's look on the map again. Let's look on this map, on this guy's map. So you can see the birthday party here. It says the event starts at this hour. So again, this is the event. That's friend 1, is the guy over here. This is the event. And the blue dot is yourself. Okay, and the last thing I want to show you guys is we can import friends from Google+. So these are the friends on Google+ that are also using GeoSocial. Let's say I want to add this guy. We added this guy. And on friends here, he'll show up, see? So yes, that's our app. I hope you enjoyed it. And